Hello dear traders, are you interested in the 𝗧𝗏 bot and want to see exactly how it trades on our platform? Then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll take you step by step through the entire process of using the 𝗧𝗏 bot to trade successfully. By the end of this video, you'll be fully ready to start trading with confidence. Make sure to watch till the end. You don't want to miss any important details. First, click trade on the bot you've selected. In this case, we are using the 𝗧𝗏 bot. Next, you'll need to subscribe to the Telegram bot to receive trading signals. Simply click subscribe and it will open the Telegram bot automatically. Once it opens, send the message /start to activate it. After that, return to the signal page and click a confirm connection. If the connection is successful, you will receive a notification confirming that your bot is now linked and ready to trade. Once connected, you'll be able to view the remaining signals directly on your dashboard. You can also enable autopilot mode, which allows the bot to trade automatically, even when you're away. For example, I'll set my stake to 30 USD, choose take profit levels of 1, 2, and 3, and set a stop loss limit. After saving these changes, the bot will automatically execute trades for me whenever a new signal is available. No manual action needed. Since our signal timing analysis isn't ready yet, we'll need to wait until the timer drops below 5 minutes. I'll pause the video for now, and once it's ready, we'll continue to confirm if the automatic actions respond correctly. But first, since the 𝗧𝗏 bot has an excellent win rate with no losses recorded, I'll aim for higher targets. You can also edit your entries and save your changes whenever you are satisfied. The best part is you can adjust your settings as many times as you want. Just make sure to click Save Changes each time for the updates to take effect. Before the bot executes any trades, let's first confirm that the history section is currently empty. This will help us verify later whether the autopilot has executed trades successfully. As you can see, the history is completely empty. And the wallet section also shows a $0 balance. This gives us a clean starting point to track our new trades accurately. Now I believe the signal time is near, as I've just received a Telegram notification. So I'll click the trade button, which will take me to the signal page. From here, we'll wait until the timer drops below 5 minutes. Then I will switch over to the bot to confirm if the autopilot feature is functioning correctly. Wonderful, the autopilot began successfully, so we will expect the outcome shortly. Perfect. As you can see here, the autopilot has already reached the take profit level I set earlier. If I don't stop the autopilot, it will continue making profits automatically as long as we are still within the active 5-minute signal window. Now let's head over to the history page and check the progress of our bot's performance. If you prefer not to use autopilot and would rather trade manually, you will first need to disable the autopilot if it's currently enabled. After that, keep an eye on the signal timer. Once it drops to 5 minutes or less, head over to the bot page and start trading manually. Simply enter your stake and take profit values, and when your trade hits the take profit, you can enter another trade and continue repeating this process as long as you're still within the 5-minute signal window. As you can see here, my manual trade has successfully reached the take profit target. Now I'll proceed to withdraw my profits directly to the connected Deriv account. The withdrawal is instant. It happens in just a blink of an eye. Watch this. That's perfect. I've just withdrawn 19,000 USD straight to my Deriv account. Just like that. But it's really that simple. I hope you've understood everything clearly up to this point. If you have any questions or need more information, feel free to contact us using the links provided in the description of this video. We're always here to help you get started and trade confidently. And that's all about the Nova Elite bot. This brings our video to an end. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Thank you for watching and happy trading.